This math challenge has a hidden trick that many people get wrong at first glance. You might be tempted to solve 8 minus 8 is 0 and then do the same again, giving 0 times 0 equals 0, but that answer is incorrect. The mistake comes from ignoring the order of operations, also known as PEMDAs, which stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, and addition and subtraction. According to this rule, we must solve multiplication before subtraction, and when operations have the same priority, we work from left to right. In this expression, there are 2 subtractions and 1 multiplication. So we start with the multiplication. 8 times 8 equals 64. The expression now becomes 8 minus 64 minus 8. Next, we subtract from left to right. 8 minus 64 equals negative 56, and then negative 56 minus 8 equals negative 64. So the correct answer is negative 64, not 0. If you enjoyed this challenge and want more quick math tricks like this, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel.